Good day, everyone. Hello, this is John Teddy Amalto, and this is my page Isip9. I hope everybody is ready because we are going to discuss or tackle about linear equations and inequalities. And our topics for today are differentiate between equations and inequalities and solving equation or inequality in one variable. Okay, so the question is, what's the difference between equations and inequalities? First, equations are two expressions conjoined by an equal sign to express balance or equality. While on the other hand, inequalities are two expressions conjoined by the symbols less than, more than, less than or more than or equal signs to show imbalance or inequality. Yes. So, let's proceed with the steps in solving an equation or an inequality. And we have here an example which is an equation. The 12x plus 3 is equal to 5x plus 31. So, uh, we have here the different steps. First one, of course, to solve that, we're going to combine like terms with variable by subtraction property of inequality or SPI. At ang ating isusubtract muna ay yung ating nasa right side na expression which is, sentence I mean, na 5x at ima-minus lang natin siya yung reciprocal niya which is negative 5x. So, 5x minus 5x. Ganun din yung gagawin natin dun sa left side sa ating 12x. So, we're going to minus 5x or subtract 5x. So, 12x minus 5x yung quantity nun plus 3 is equal to the quantity of 5x minus 5x plus 31. So, let's just minus or subtract it. Then the difference is 7x. Bring down lang natin si plus 3. So, plus 3 is equal to, bring down si 31, 31. Then, we can proceed to our second step, which is combining like terms, which is in constant by subtraction property of inequality as well, or SPI. So, si 7x plus, ang i-minus natin ay yung 3 na kasama ni 7x. So, 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3, and syempre sa kabila, magma-minus din tayo ng 3 sa 31. So, 7x plus the quantity of 3x minus 3, 3 minus 3 is equal to 31 minus 3. And cancel out lang natin si 3 at si positive 3 at si negative 3. So, we will have 7x is equal to 28 kasi 31 minus 3 is equal to 28. Then, after that, we can move to our third step, which is divide both sides by the numerical coefficient alongside or adjoining the variable x, yung katabi or yung before kay x, which is si 7. So, 7x divided by 7, the same with the other, yung nasa right. So, is equal to 28 divided by 7. So, we can get x is equal to positive 4. Yan. And I can assure that if you substitute the value of x in our equation, which is the 4, ang kakalabasan nun ay equal lang sa isa't isa. Okay, let's move forward to another example, which is an inequality. Okay, so we have here 5 times the quantity of 2x plus 4 is less than or equal to 7x minus 7. So, ang ating first step kapag ganyan ang ating equation or inequality ay, syempre, is to distribute the constant in the terms separated by the parentheses. So, si 5 ay i-distribute lang natin paloob sa dalawang term. So, 5 times 2x and then 5 times 4. And we will get 10x plus 20 is less than or equal to 7x minus 7. And after that, we can proceed with our combining like terms with variable by subtraction property of inequality or SPI, na kung saan ay ima-minus natin yung 7x na term doon sa ating right side ng ating inequality pati rin doon sa left side. So, 10, ang kakalabasan nun ay the quantity of 10x minus 7 plus 20 is less than or equal to 7x minus 7, the quantity of 7x minus 7x minus 7. So, cancel out lang natin si positive 7x at si minus x since 0 lang din ang lalabas. So, we will have 3x plus 20 is less than or equal to negative 7. And after that, we can move to our third step, which is to combine like terms, yung constant, by subtraction property of inequality or SPI. And of course, uh, ang ating constant ay positive 20 sa ating left na expression. So, 3x plus the quantity of 20 minus 20 less than or equal to negative 7 minus 20. Of course, minus 20 then. So, 3x is less than or equal to negative 27 kasi makakancel out na si positive 20 at negative 20. And negative 7 plus negative 20 is negative 27. Right after that, we're going to move to our last step, which is step 4. Divide both sides by the numerical coefficient adjoining or yung before the variable x, which is 3. So 3x divided by 3 is equal to 27 divided by 3 as well. And kung i-divide natin yon, negative 27 over 3 pala, I mean, is we're going to have x is less than or equal to negative 9. So, kapag sinubstitute natin ang value ni x which is negative 9 sa ating inequality, there are two possibility na it's either maging equal yung sagot or maging less than. Yan. Okay. Then, we can proceed with our trivia. So, another thing for inequalities, once that you've encountered this is very important. And kapag na-encounter nyo na mayroong negative sign yung numerical coefficient na una or before ni x, ay syempre, ang mangyayari, mapapalitan yung sign nung inequality. Kasi there is a reason for that, and it says here that additionally, in case that the numerical coefficient alongside the x or the x is negative, then the inequality sign will be changed because when dividing both sides by a negative number, it reverses the relative positions of numbers on the number line. Kumbaga, pagka negative yung nandito, tapos i-divide mo siya sa dalawa, so lilipat, magiging more than na siya. Ganun yung mangyayari. Okay. And after that, we're going to have an activity, a very interesting activity. Let me read the instruction for you. It says here that study the given mathematical sentences below. Identify which of the sentences are equations or inequalities. If there are, if you, of course, circle the equations and box the inequalities. First off, we have negative x plus 1 is less than negative x minus 1. So, what do you think it is? What kind of mathematical sentence siya? Is it equation or an inequality? Of course, it is an inequality because we have the sign less than. So, we're going to box it. Ayan. And for the next one, we have 7x minus 3 is equal to. What kind of mathematical sentence is that? Is it an equation or is it an inequality? We have the equal sign, so it is an equation and we're going to circle it. Ayan. And we have x plus x is less than 2 plus 12. Yan ang anong klaseng mathematical sentence yan? Is it an equation or is it an inequality? Yes, meron tayo yung less than, so it is an inequality. Next, we have negative 5 times the quantity of x plus 4 is greater than 10. So, anong klaseng mathematical sentence yan? We have the sign greater than or more than, then that is an inequality. So we're going to box it. Next ay 11 is greater than or equal to negative 1 minus x. So anong klaseng sentence yan? Is it an inequality or is it an equation? Meron tayong greater than or equal. So it is considered as inequality kasi meron pa rin tayong greater than na sign. So we're going to box it. Next ay 9 times the quantity of x plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So, meron tayong sign na equal. Anong klaseng mathematical sentence? Of course, it is an equation. Kaya, isi-circle natin yung equation na yan. Okay, next. 13x is equal to 26. So, meron tayong equal sign. Is that an equation or is that an inequality? Of course, that is an equation. Kaya, bibilugan natin. Next, ay 14x plus 8 is less than or equal to negative 34. So, meron tayong sign na is less than or equal. Kaya, ito ay inequality. So, we're going to box it. And lastly, we have 8 plus 3x is equal to 9. Meron tayong sign na equal. So, it is an equation. Kaya naman ay bibilugan natin ito. So we have 5 inequalities in total and 4 equations in total. So next, we're moving to our second activity which is related to our first. And here's the instruction. From the previous activity, solve for the values of x in every identified inequality, yung 5 inequality kanina, to complete the word in the blank, a line that corresponds to a letter given beneath. So the question is, are you ready? Yes, of course you are ready. Here's some clue that I'll be giving to you. So he is one of the Greek philosophers or mathematicians. Another thing, siya ay sikat during his time. Kasi siya yung isa sa mga magagaling na talaga na tao nung panahon na yon, yung Greek era yon. Yes. Okay. So we have here x is less than or equal to negative 3, x is greater than 1, x is less than 7, x is less than negative 6, and lastly, negative 12 is less than or equal to x. Okay, so we have here the options, which is C is negative negative 5 times the quantity of x plus 4 is greater than 10. O is 11 is greater than or equal to negative 1 minus x. L is negative x plus 1 is less than x minus 1. And for S, we have x plus x is greater than 2 plus 12. And for E, we have negative 5 times the quantity of x plus 4 is less than 10. And for R, we have 11 is greater than or equal to negative 1 plus x. For P, we have 14x plus 8 is less than or equal to negative 34. And for I, we have negative x plus 1 is less than to x less than x plus 1. A is x plus x is less than 2 plus 12. And for Q, 14x plus 8 is less than negative 34. So, we have here the x is less than or equal to negative 3, x is greater than 1, x is less than 7, and then x is less than negative 6, and then negative 12 is less than or equal to x. So first off, we will be solving the first option, which is the letter the letter P. Okay. We have here negative 5 times the quantity of x plus 4 is greater than 10. And we're going to distribute the negative 5 inside the quantity of x plus 4. And we'll be getting negative 5x minus 20 is greater than 10. And we're going to use the additional property of equality or inequality, which we're going to add 20 on both sides. So let's cancel out the 20. So we're going to have negative 5x is greater than 30, positive 30. And we're just going to divide both sides using the division property of inequality. Divide both sides by negative 5. And we're going to have x. Yun, papalitan natin yung ang ating sign. So that is less than negative 6. Ayan, that is our final answer. So now, hanapin natin. Ayan, siya yung pang-apat. Ayun yung pang-apat. So, ipuput lang natin doon ang letter T. Ayan. And, next, we're going to have the letter O option. So, O is 11 is greater than or equal to negative 1 minus x. So, una lang natin gagawin ay gagamitan natin ng additional property of inequality. Magpa-plus 1 tayo on both sides, then cancel out. Then we're going to have 12, positive 12 is greater than or equal to negative x. Ngayon, hindi tayo pwede na magkaroon ng negative na sign sa x. So, and may invisible na number 1 before x, of course, palagi. So we're going to divide both sides using the division property of inequality by 1. And we're going to have negative 12. Cancel out yung negative 1. So, ang ating x ay is less than or, ayan, greater than or equal to negative 12. Or negative 12 is less than or equal to x. So, hanapin lang ulit natin siya sa mga nasa taas. That's our final answer. Then, ayan, nandiyan siya sa ayun yung nasa pang-5. So, at ilalagay lang natin yung O. So, meron na tayong to. Ano kaya yung tatlong letters? So, let's move on with our next letter, letter L. The given is negative x plus 1 is less than x minus 1. Ang una lang natin gagawin ay gagamitin natin ang SPI or subtraction property of inequality for the variable. So, negative, mag-minus x lang tayo sa dalawa. And then, cancel out natin si x dun sa right side. Then, magkakaroon tayo ng negative 2x. Kasi, pa-plus lang din natin yan. Tapos, plus 1. And, it is less than negative 1, of course. So, next natin ay gagamitan natin ng subtraction property of inequality yung constant. So, minus 1 lang din. Mag-minus 1 lang tayo, yung nasa left side. Then, cancel natin yung negative 1. Going to have negative 2x is less than negative 2. Ngayon, meron pa tayong number or numerical coefficient sa negative 2. So, we're going to use division property of inequality to divide both sides by negative 2. So, cancel lang natin yung negative 2 at negative 2 sa ilalim. Kaya, magkakaroon tayo ng x is, ayan, nagpalit ng sign. So, magkakaroon tayo ng greater than positive 1. Yan, positive 1. Ayan, and that's our final answer. So, we're going to find there kung nasaan. Pangalawa. So, ilalagay lang din natin yung letter L sa pangalawa. So, we have LT blank, L blank, PO. Okay, so, let's move with our fourth option, which is letter S, and it is x plus x is greater than 2 plus 12. First off, ipa-plus lang natin yung x plus x since yun yung nasa left side. Kaya, magkakaroon tayo ng 2x and it is greater than 2 plus 12. Copy lang. And then, yun naman ang ipa-plus natin, yung nasa right side. So, 2x is greater than 2 plus 12 ay 14. Yes, that is actually 14. And we're going to use the division property of inequality. Yes. And x is greater than 7. Yes. There is a typo there. Dapat 12 over 7 yon. And hanapin lang na din natin siya. So, S, input lang din na. Yes. wala siya doon sa mga pagpipilian, kaya hindi natin siya ilalagay. Next ay letter E. So, ang ating letter E ay negative 5x. The quantity of x plus 4 is less than 10. Distribute lang ulit natin si negative 5, papasok kay x plus 4. So, we're going to have negative 5x minus 20 is less than 10. And we're going to use the additional property of inequality. Mag-plus 20 lang tayo on both sides. Then, cancel out si negative 20 at positive 20. Then, we will going to have negative 5x is less than positive 30. So, we're going to divide it both sides using the division property of inequality. Divide both sides by negative 5, then we're going to have x at papalitan natin yung sign. So we're going to have x is greater than negative 6. And hanapin lang ulit natin siya. And that's our final answer. Hanapin lang natin siya dun sa pagpipilian. Since there is none, so hindi kasali si E. Okay. Next is letter R. Ang given sa R ay 11 is greater than or equal to negative 1 plus x. So, ang una lang din natin gagawin kapag ganyan ay gagamit tayo ng API. Of course, the addition property of inequality. Na kung saan mag-a-add tayo ng positive 1 on both sides since yun yung constant sa kabila, sa right side. And then cancel out. Positive 12 is greater than or equal to positive x. And ngayon, that is our final answer. Hanapin lang ulit natin siya. Ayan, wala siya. So, hindi kasali si R. Next, we have letter P. Sa P, we have 14x plus 8 is less than or equal to negative 34. So, ang gagawin lang ulit natin ay gagamitan natin siya ng API, SPI, is subtraction property of inequality, minus 8 tayo on both sides, and just cancel out positive 8 and negative 8, so we have 14x is less than or equal to negative 34 plus 8 is negative 42. And we're just going to use the division property of inequality to divide both sides by 14, cancel out the 14, so x is less than or equal to negative 42 divided by 14 is negative 3. And that is our final answer. So, si P, hanapin lang natin siya. Ayan, number 1. So, si P, ang una natin ay P. So, we have now P, L, blank, P, O. Ayan. Okay. Next is meron tayong yung I option. So, negative x plus 1 is less than x plus 1. So, isolve lang din natin siya. Gamitan natin siya ng SPI, which is subtraction property of inequality. Mag-minus x tayo on both sides and then cancel out si x and negative x. And si negative x plus negative x ay negative 2x plus 1 is less than plus positive 1. And then magkaroon lang din tayo ng SPI or subtraction property of inequality. Negative 1 on both sides, minus 1. And then mag-cancel out tayo, plus 1, minus 1. Minus 1. And then we have negative 2x is less than, syempre 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 then. So 0. I-divide natin both sides by negative 2 using the DPI or the division property of inequality. Then cancel both sides. And then x is less than 0 kasi 0 divided by 2 is 0. Hanapin natin siya. Wala. Hindi siya yung nasa gitna. So, I is not included. Lastly, we have, second to the last, the option A, which is x plus x is less than 2 plus 12. Ang una lang din natin gagawin ay ang i-add natin si x plus x and we will going to have 2x is less than 2 plus 12. And then, add din natin yung nasa right side. So, 2 plus 12 is equal to 14. We have 2x less than 14. And mag-DPI lang din tayo, division property of inequality. Divide both sides by 2. Cancel lang si 2. So, x is less than 7. And hanapin natin siya. Ayan, nag-match siya dun sa gitna. So, that is our A. Okay, and then nabuo na natin yung mga blankong letra, yung mga blankong equation or blankong sagot. So, ang ating sagot ay Plato. But still, we're going to solve for letter Q. So, ang given sa letter Q ay 14x plus 8 is less than negative 34. So, una natin gagawin ay SPI or subtraction property of inequality. Mag-subtract tayo ng 8 both side and then cancel out natin si 8. Magkakaroon tayo ng 14x is less than negative 42. Divide both side by 14 by division property of inequality. Ayan. So, we have x is equal to x is less than negative 3. Ayan, since sasagutan na natin, hindi na siya included. So, ang ating kasagutan ay, hindi po ate, hindi. Ang ating kasagutan ay Plato, si Plato. There is a fun fact about Plato actually, because he is one of the, what do we call this, the philosopher who debated for the term inequality together with, who is that one? Aristotle actually. The both of them debated for that term because it has been evident ever since their era. Even until now naman, nag-exist pa rin siya. So, itong inequality, and of course, ang equation ay napakahalaga nito. Of course, sa ating society, ma-apply din natin siya. And that would be a great lesson for everyone that we should be at least be fair at wag tayong maging unequal mag-decide or unequal mang-judge. Yes. That is one thing that I want to teach you, of course. Yeah. And now, of course, we're proceeding with, actually, it is the end of our video. So, I hope you have a great day and thank you very much. Once again, this is John Teddy Amalto and this is my page, eSIP Nayan. Thank you.